Hi, good afternoon. I'm Jim Ayers with Revolution Machine Tools here at FabTech 2024 in Orlando, Florida. One of the feature machines we have here is our new R-FAB 5512. R indicates rolling, FAB indicates a semi-automatic machine, 5 indicates the length of the rolls, 512 indicates the diameter of the top roll. The unique thing about this machine is that in addition to the top roll, it has an interchangeable top roll that is conical. It can roll cones. If you want to take a look here real quick, we got the 5.5-inch diameter top roll here, and this goes down to about, we'll say 2.5 inches, maybe 3. Anyway, the machine is very user-friendly, very intuitive. The controls are all right here. Again, this is a manual roll. Doesn't come with any kind of extensions like our R-Smart is offering, nor does it come with a mast for large rings. The capacity of this machine is from 10 gauge to 8 gauge bending capacity. And if we want to come over here real quick, I'll show you the top roll that's interchangeable. This has a safety wire to go around it. It goes all the way around the machine. If somebody were to stumble or knock that, it would cut off the operation of the machine. Then right over here, because the way this machine is set up right now for the show, right here is the interchangeable top roll. Now this roll is 5.12 inches in diameter throughout the entire length of the roll. And that can be interchanged or swapped out with the top roll that's right here that is used to roll cones. It has an automatic drop end, so you can pull out your cones. Your controls right here, left and right. In the past, the plate rolls that Revolution Machine Tools offered, we have our R-Eco series, which is a 3-roll manual roll. And we go up to our 4-roll R-Smart series, which is semi-automatic, a little more high-end. So there was a big gap that we felt needed to be filled. With this machine coming online, our R-FAB series fills that. You get a 4-roll plate roll that's capable of rolling cones with an interchangeable top roll at a very competitive price. If there's any way that we can help you out with your rolling needs, please give us a call. Thank you very much. You have a nice day.